Hi guys, it's Katie and today we are going to be doing a unboxing / review. So I've got multiple parcels, but first one is of my address. Right, are you ready for this? Right, one second, but this actually stays open. Wonder with Pomade. Right, I'm gonna attempt to open this. So it's by Pink Honey. Wait, I don't know how to do this. Right, it's by Pink Honey. So Wonder with Pomade. And I got it in dark brown, I think. I can get this off. Ooh, it's cardboard. Okay. It's so small and cute. Look at that. What? I'm hoping you can see. I'll move it around. Right. Oh my god, that is so cute. Right. I'm scared. Ooh, look at that. The inside. So if I was right, it should be... yeah, shade 2 dark brown. Right. I am using a Shein brush that I got ages ago. It's so creamy. Oh, I'm scared. Right. Hopefully you can see us doing... oh wait, do I do this eyebrow right? Oh! Sorry, I'm so excited. It's so good. I'm actually freaking out. This is so cool. We got a smoothie. I do look like a bit of a child right now because what? I'm flopping everything today, right? I'm scared. Wait. Need to get my concealer products, but I decided to start doing that. It's from Poundland, I think, or Pound Stretcher. It's in the UK, so if you're from America, I don't know if it sells there. This is also from Shein. It's just like that type brush. Oh, I'm scared. Right, I'm gonna do this one on camera, and I'm gonna do the next off camera. Do you know what? I was tempted to get black because obviously I have black and red hair, but I didn't, and I'm happy I didn't. If this eyebrow looks different when I come back, it's because I've not put as much product on it, because that one is so dark. But I look like I've just came out of 2016. Right. I'm quickly blend this out. I'm scared. I think I'm just gonna use this, right? It's just a fluffy brush that when I blend it doesn't like take all the product off, what that means. But I will come back after I've blended this out properly and done my eyebrow. Right, I'm back. I love them so much. They are really, really dark. I think if I ever get this pomade again, I think I might get a lighter shade. Sorry, I've not blended that out properly. I think I might get like just a brown, because it is like really dark. It looks so nice, but it's so dark. I'm not going to do the rest of my makeup because I am filming 2 videos right now. I'm going to be filming another one where I am doing 2 products. So this one will be posted first, so you can go and watch the second one. This is quite a short video, obviously, because I'm just testing out one product. But if you want to know where to get this from, I got it from TikTok shop. It's from Pink Honey. Make sure you get it from Pink Honey and not any other brands, no matter if it's cheaper or not. I got it for £4.50 on a deal. I don't know if it's still at £4.50. It might be at £10 now, but I know most of their products stand at £10. It's from Pink Honey, so make sure you get it from Pink Honey. It's the Wonder Whip Pomade, and obviously I got it in dark brown. If you've got black hair, I wouldn't recommend getting black. I'd probably get dark brown. If you've got dark brown hair, maybe get like the next lighter shade. I'm not really sure what it is. I don't think for blondes who don't wear dark eyebrows, I don't think they have a blonde pomade yet. Obviously, you don't just have to do 2016 eyebrows like me. You can do like just... if you get... I wouldn't recommend them type brushes. I'd say I think it's called the J4 brush from Painted, from James Charles. His would probably be better for more natural, because it's really thin and sharp, and you can probably just get like little eyebrow strokes. Maybe if you don't want to block your eyebrows like me, just like go like that, get it on, and then just go like that maybe. What was it? Well, that's not moving, and it's literally just been put on. I mean, if you like rub it quite hard, it does lighten, but yeah, it's definitely not smudge proof, I'd say. It does come off, but I haven't put any setting spray on. I don't think anyone would go like that really hard against the eyebrows though, so I'm gonna clean that up and I'll be back. After a long time, I am back. I've redone it, put powder on, and then I've put a gel over it. I don't know if the gel's dried yet. It doesn't seem to smudge when you've got gel on it. Maybe if you've done it, just put like a gel over it. But obviously, that is the end of the video. If you want to go see any of my other videos, I've got a video posted just before this of the Get to Know Me, and I've got a video that I'm going to record straight after this, which will be uploaded at the same time. Just go watch my next video. Alright, bye!